Dear devotees, let us chant the sixth Pashuram with devotion. Pullam Shilam Binahan Pullarayan Koyilil Vellai Vilishankin Perarabam Kettilayo Pillai Alundirai Pe Mulai Nanjunde Kallachagadan Kalagali Yakalochi வெள்ளத்தரவில் துயிலமர்ந்த வித்தினை உள்ளத்து கொண்ட முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் மெல்ல எழுந்தறியன்ற பேரரபம் புள்ளம் புகுந்து குளிந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய் ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். Godamata, Andal, is telling to all her friends, have you not heard the birds singing early in the morning? Have you not heard the loud holy sound of the white conch from the Lord's temple? Oh dear girls, please wake up. Let us listen to the holy name Hari Hari, sang by saints and the great devotees. Let us think of Lord who drank the harmful milk, who destroyed the demons hiding in the vehicle, and who rests on the great serpent Adishesha. When we think of him, our mind becomes peaceful and pure. O Divine Mother, please bless us. Thank you so much. May God bless you all.